Hey Planet Besties, welcome or welcome back. So we're going to be unboxing a bit of Happy Mail that I got over probably like the last 2 weeks. So 2 are subscription boxes, which is Stick with Catie and Planything, and this is actually my last Planything subscription box. And also 2 separate orders, which is Stick with Catie again and also Live Love Posh. Excited about these items. So let's just get into it. All right, y'all. So opening up our beautiful Live Love Posh box, we get our freebie card. Look at this beautiful print. Y'all, tell me what you guys do with this card. Maybe for 2026 in my mini, I can use this as like a deco piece. So I've been saving up all the cards that we get. And then we get this die cut. Such beautiful items. And then let's get into all of the things. All right, y'all. Can I just say that Live Love Posh has been dropping release after release? Like, the latest release that they just dropped, I got even more things that I'm excited about getting. So I got 4 items in this first release. We're going to start with this blue disc since it's poking out, y'all. I got these matte turquoise discs. So good. This is the 38 mm. Oh my gosh. Like, my work planner is going to look so good in 2026. I just had to have them. I'm already like pre-ordering for my 2026 items. Yeah. Before we get into like the new releases, so this was actually already on the website, and I'm gonna go to another product that was on the website as well. All right, y'all, so the first thing is this HP Classic cover. Y'all, look at this shade. Such a pretty tint. I'm gonna list the products in the description so you guys can check it out. She did release new covers and shades that I purchased as well. Honestly, the price for the quality and the color is amazing. I was definitely the type of person that was like, oh no, I want like all the fancy covers, the cloth and paper and stuff. But like the price for these covers, I can just get so much for the same cost, you know, like getting 4 covers for the price of 1 basically. So one thing about me, I'm always picking up a Live Love Posh cover. So I have a new cover that I haven't had before. Love that. The next item is this storage cover. Like, I love that they released this, you guys. So chic, so cute. It's just this like striped design. You open it up. I love this, y'all. We get a whole bunch of pages to put, well, like the, what do you call these, like the sleeves to put in the pages from the Live Love Posh sticker books. Like, that is absolutely amazing. This is probably why the box was so big. And we also get labels. And I see there's dividers in the back, which I'm going to show you guys as well. So, what is this? Probably just a card. Okay. So, yeah. Functional boxes, dated, checklist headers. Like, look at all of these. So, these are the labels. And then at the back, you have the dividers. I know it's all like clear. So, just making sure you guys can see that these are the divider types that you can put the sticker labels on. I love that they created this. A lot of times for me, like, I'll go on Amazon. If I felt like I needed to take apart my Live Love Posh book, I would, like, you know, figure out the dimensions and try to find a binder that matches the size. But for them to release it on its own, I think that is amazing. So for example, I have my Live Love Posh Autumn Allure book, and I am wondering, you know, if we want to test it out. I'm not going to do these on camera because this is a big project. I have a lot of Live Love Posh books, but definitely these functional boxes I want to take out because I actually don't gravitate towards using functional boxes, but also maybe if I see them more, I would use them more. And so look at how perfect that would fit, y'all. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love that. I'm gonna go through all of my Live Love Posh books. That is gonna be a project, and fill in the sheets for all of the functional boxes. And then you have your labels. I love that. And last but not least, y'all, I picked up the A5 dot grid notebook. Like, I need to do a short just on this notebook alone. Like, y'all, and the color that I got, I actually wanted the blue, but I didn't get the blue because I wish it was more like a baby blue. But the color that I got, y'all, we gotta open this up. It has gold edges, and I think like the inside has like this flower pattern. Look at the packaging. Ooh, excited. So this is how it looks. I need to keep this box for something because let's do the reveal together. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, y'all. I have just like one journal from Amazon that I've been using forever, like this. This is nice. So we get like a thank you card. She been doing her thing with these releases. Look at this foil. Oh gosh, yes, I have to do a short on this. Look at the back. You guys, if you haven't seen this, y'all need to go on the website. There's different colors. I'll put a picture of the colors. Y'all, the texture, very, what is this material? Like velvety. And then this is the inside page, just beautiful. Most inside pages are just like plain, like white or whatever. And these are dot grids. I have been getting into like Dutch doors and things. So this is gonna be perfect, like the quality, oh, y'all. And then this is the back, and then in the back you also have like a pocket. I love this journal. I really do love it. I need to get more colors eventually because it takes me a while to like fill up a journal. So I definitely want to get like the red. That one was really cute. And so that is it for me for my Live Love Posh haul, y'all. I got the journal, I got the storage album, I got the planner cover, and I got the disc. So a small but mighty haul from Live Love Posh. So the next shop I'm gonna get into is Stick with Catie. I want to save my sub boxes for last. And so Stick with Catie also had like a autumn kind of release that I thought was so cute. So I said, let me go ahead and place my order. And so one of the first things that I absolutely always wanted from her shop was a sticker album. And y'all, make sure you're using up your points. Like, I think since I get the subscription box, I get points quicker. So I got a good like $40, almost $50 off on my order just from having rewards points. And so I got this sticker album. I'm gonna show y'all how I've been storing my Stick with Catie stickers, which was just like a mess. So I'm glad that I have this now. And I also got a bunch of the autumn sticker release that I was talking about. But look at how cute this sticker album is. She became everything she promised herself. And so honestly, I just been putting my Stick with Catie stickers in like this sleeve because the size is like so unique. I couldn't really find like a photo album that had the size. This is another shop, so I'm just putting it to the side. And so as you can see, I use these stickers up, but I just have like a bunch of the affirmations, the deco sheets, and I am glad that I finally have somewhere to put them. Like, I'm not even gonna go through all of them, but again, like the Live Love Posh album, y'all kind of seeing that I love me a sticker storage system. So we just put it in from the side, and look at that perfect fit. I am excited. Sticker storage is so important for me because I have a lot of things, and just, you know, so everything is not just all over the place and cramped. We're gonna need us a good sticker storage system. So that was the first thing that I got. And like I said, I got a autumn sticker collection. Some of these dolls are people from her affiliate team. I don't know everyone, and I hope I'm not confusing it because some are separate releases that have already been in the shop. So I'm just gonna go through them, y'all. So here is the first doll. We have Morgan, looking cute, and then we have Kyra. I love fall. Like, I probably did not even need all of these fall stickers, but I absolutely just love fall. We have Jess, and then we have Aubrey, which is her, like, one of her classic dolls. And then this was not part of the release, I just got it because I think her outfit was so cute. We have Aubrey B10, also not a part of the release. Aubrey B3, and then Aubrey A3. Love that. So I think these are dolls that are a part of her team, and then these are just my Aubrey dolls. Okay, so let's get into the deco. So we have Falling into Autumn deco. We have Falling into Autumn affirmations. After this video, I need to organize all of my stuff, y'all. We have Falling into Autumn, like the papers. She has such pretty papers. And then this is washi strips. Falling into Autumn journal prompts, and then another sheet, and then another sheet again. So all of the vibes for fall I am going to be excited to use up all of these stickers. I was thinking to do a plan with me with some of these stickers. I am, but just not on camera. But you guys will see the look of how it came out eventually, of course. So that is it from Stick with Catie, my sticker albums, and some stickers from the Falling into Autumn collection. All right, y'all, so going along Stick with Catie and then going into my subscription boxes, this is the Dear Diary by Aubrey subscription. Excited to open this. I think the vibes was like winery, calm winery vibes, and so she puts so much into these every single month. I absolutely love it. Usually I do these unboxings separate, but I just have so much boxes. I need to do them all in one video this time. So here we are. I always love to read them. Dear Diary, today I wandered through rows of vines and the air felt still in that quiet way that reminds you to breathe deeper. I found a spot beneath the shade, poured a glass and let myself slow down. No rushing, no plans, just stillness and gratitude. It's funny how reflection can feel like a luxury, but maybe it's really a necessity. Maybe slowing down isn't falling behind. Maybe it's how we learn to savor what's right here, right now. I love that. Like, Aubrey's vibes are really like cherishing moments, slowing down, reflecting. Like, I'm trying to be like that for real. So love the vibes. And then we get into the stickers. So they are all Aubrey. Look at that dress. Catie does her thing, I am telling y'all. Definitely check out her shop if you want to check out the sub box. And then the green dress with the yellow heels, and she got her wine. Oh my goodness, look at this purple. I can't, y'all. So cute. So these are the four dolls, and then we have the deco sheet, the winery vibes. Again, these are going in that album that I just purchased, and the affirmations. I feel like I love this color palette, like the greens and the purples. It looks so good. It looks so much better in person. And then we have the decorative papers. So we have this one, and we have this like wood kind of vibe. Love them. And then last but not least are the deco elements. Look at this cute little washi. So for the deco elements, we just have a ton of like winery pieces. We have this wine bottle with the cute pink bow. We have these wine bottles with the grapes and like the wooden barrel. Look at this glass, so cute, making me feel like I want to drink right now. So we have with the platter, too cute. And then we have the barrels. I love this. I love this so much. This has to be like one of my favorites so far. Usually we got more images, which I liked for my Dutch door to do like a back and front. We have the November card, and we have this card. I'm learning to enjoy the process, not just the outcome. Oh, y'all, I love it. So this was my Stick with Catie subscription box for the month of November, Dear Diary. All right, y'all, so last but not least is my Planything subscription box. As I mentioned, this is going to be my last box. She did stop it for the rest of the year anyway, until she can figure out what she's doing in 2026, but I have since decided that I probably won't continue with it. I'm going to give another subscription box a try, which I thought was coming today. It's probably not, so I'm going to have to record that separately, which is fine. Stay tuned for what that is. I don't want to give it away yet, but yeah, this is the Planything sub box. Before, I was spending like $40 for the Planything sub box, but now with like the tariffs and things, it jumped to like 70 something. So even this, like this sub box right here was 70 something. I just don't feel like it's worth it. That's a lot. So yeah, if it stays the same, I just won't continue with it even in 2026. So yeah, let's get into this sub box. And this was like a wintry theme. You guys see how beautiful it is. I know people save it because the packaging is so good. I don't, but yeah, since it has like wintry New Year elements, I feel like this was like the perfect last box, so to speak. And again, one of the highlights for me is that we got a whole sticker book. That is amazing. So the first thing is this notepad, and it's like snowflake vibes, so cute for the winter season. And then we get washi. One thing about the new sub box that I'm gonna get doesn't have washi. They have washi that's more like on the paper that you rip off and not like actual washi. So I might even look into like a washi subscription, which is not bad. Most places are pretty cheap with it, like less than $20. So we get this washi here. I'm just hoping, trying to get it to focus. Kind of looks like snowman eyes. Not sure if that has wording or just dots, but we get that. And then we get this print. It's getting dark, so I'm hoping that you guys can see that. And then this like plaid print. So those are our washies. And then we get these A5 size papers. And one thing for me with the papers, I feel like they would be so good as dashboards, but my like creative planner is not a A5, it's a classic, so it will be too small for my classic. Maybe for my mini, I can trim a lot of these down to make dashboards. So I've been trying to save the ones that are really pretty, like this one. Look at how cute. And then we get like this farmhouse, and we get this one that says Happy New Year. This style of doll is like not really my favorite, but I know it's like a common style. I forgot the name. And then they are front and back. So this is the back of that one. Most likely I'll use this page. This is the back of this one. So that was that print that was here. And then this is the back of this one. So yeah, those are the papers. And last but not least is the sticker book. So this is Planything Snow Days, 458 stickers, 20 sticker sheets. Again, this book was so good for scenes. That's one thing that I absolutely love, is a good scene. So this sticker book really did that for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip through these, play some music for you guys. All right, y'all, so that is the book. I am actually wondering if these functional boxes can fit in a Live Love Posh binder. So I'm gonna see that really quick. I think these snowflakes were really, really cute. I like that we get like this kind of vibe for winter. Like, look at all of the scenes. I think there was some trees that are really, really pretty. Like, I love it. I think that the subscription was worth it for $40 and change, especially since this was coming internationally. I think it was worth it, but for like 70 something, I don't think it's worth it. So I do want to check and see if those functional boxes will fit. And then that would be the end of my haul. Oh yeah, so they would definitely fit lengthwise, but I wonder if widthwise they will fit. Let me zoom out a bit. I think they would, so I might consider just like any functional boxes I have, putting them in here. I think that would be really, really helpful for me. That might be a project for tonight, actually. All right, besties, so let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite? Like, my favorite, of course, is this A5 journal from Live Love Posh, the Stick with Catie album, the Dear Diary subscription box with the winery, the Live Love Posh disc, because blue is my favorite color, as well as the storage album. So let me know you guys' thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.